Secretaries, good morning. Happy New Year. Ano-ano po yung exact items that were vetoed by the President that constitute the 92.5 billion pesos that was removed from unprogrammed appropriations?
There are, I'll take this question. There are roughly 10 items in the unprogrammed fund. Ang tinanggal yung budgetary support to GOCCs, ang halaga niyan roughly 6,895 million. Yung fiscal support sa CARS program na 4.320 billion. Insurance for government assets na 2 billion. Prior years LGU shares na 14 million. Race program, 250,000. GOP counterpart sa foreign assisted projects sa 35 billion 769 million. Payments of PS requirements na 43 billion 245 million na nakapaloob na sa iba't ibang ehensya ng pamahalaan. At natanggal na rin naman, I think during yung sagip, wala na yung 80 billion na sagip. Wala na rin yung Nampeday property na 210 million. Public health emergency benefits na 6.7 billion. Marawi siege victims compensation under the NEP then was 2 billion. Ang natira na lang ay support, tatlong item na lang ang natira. Support to foreign assisted projects, 97 billion 305 million. Revised AFP modernization program na 50 billion at risk management program na 3.6 billion. So ito yung natira sa unprogrammed fund, roughly 150 billion 905 million na more or less katumbas ng unprogrammed fund noong 2019.
Sir, follow-up question. Sir, the President promised the judicious spending of taxpayers' money under the 2026 national budget. What is the administration doing to police, if not totally temper, the grant of excessive bonuses, either to lawmakers, to cabinet secretaries, or anyone in government in general? Especially these were recently flagged by several lawmakers in recent weeks.
Well, in the executive branch, wala naman excessive bonuses to begin with, no? Pangalawa, kung ang tinutukoy po ninyo ay yung budget ng Kongreso, nung nakaraang taon, ang budget ng Kongreso, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ay 50 billion. 50 billion and correct. In 2025 GAE, ang Kongreso ay may budget ng 50 billion. Sa taong 2026, ang budget ng Kongreso ay 38.6 billion. So nabawasan ng roughly 12 billion yung budget ng Kongreso in 2026 compared to 2025.
Sorry, sir. Anong items po yung natanggal under nung 12 billion that was removed from Congress? This is both for the House and the Senate, right?
That is correct. For the House and the Senate and Commission on Appointments and Senate Electoral Tribunal. I don't have the details with me, but maybe the DBM would have them.
Yes, Sec. If I may, as far as the NEP of the Senate and the rest of the Congress, just to give you details, okay, for Senate, it's 7.5 in the NEP and it increased to 8.5 billion. And then for Senate Electoral Tribunal, 329, and it became 389 million. Now, for the Commission on Appointments, it's 1.089 billion to 1.680 billion. Then House of Representatives, that is 17.2 billion to 27.7, and the HOR Electoral Tribunal, 255, the same amount as far as the GA is concerned. So NEP level.
Okay, thank you. Follow up? Yes, Ivan.
Good morning, Secretary, sir. Sinabi po ng Pangulo, hindi hahayaan ng administrasyon na gawing backdoor for discretionary spending on unprogrammed appropriations. There will be strict guidelines, clearly defined triggers bago ho ma-release. What are we going to do differently this year? Kasi I suppose these are existing guidelines already. Those that existed the year before. Paano ho natin ito exactly gagawin?
Well, unang-una, nabanggit ko nga kanina na nung nakaraan, meron yung sagip, infrastructure and social programs sa lump sum na mahigit 80.8 billion. Wala na ngayon yan. So of the 10 items or more in the unprogrammed, ang natira 3 na lang. So what are the 3 items? Again, revised AFP modernization program na 50 billion, yung risk management program na 3.6. Ito ay patungkol sa mga contingent liability natin sa PPP at yung support to foreign assisted projects na 97 billion. Ang pagkaintindi ko dito sa support to foreign assisted projects, ang loan proceeds, karamihan dito ay yung mga that did not make the cut nung ginawa ang budget for 2026 na in the pipeline. So hindi napasama sa program yan dahil wala pang maliwanag, kaya nasaan program yan. So ito yung mga that did not make the cut nung ginagawa ng DBM yung budget for 2026.
Thank you, Ivan.